So like most hybrids, I tested out the EV mode coming out of the parking lot there, and it got me up to about 25 miles per hour on all EV power before the gas engine kicked on. Really like how the vehicle drives though. Pretty good acceleration. Of course, having the torque from the electric motors, you have that gas-powered 4-cylinder, and then you also have the CVT. It gets up efficiently and swiftly without having to worry about shift points. I'm gonna put it in a sport mode now. Gonna put my foot down just a tad. Oh wow. Wow. For a car that gets 40, almost 45 miles per gallon combined, it's crazy how quick the car can be. Having that electric motor helping, it kind of got away from me for a sec. What makes it so impressive is the fuel economy, the Toyota reliability, having all of these safety features, and then still having a car that coming out the line is pretty quick because it has the help from the electric motor. This is really a fantastic vehicle for the money. Quite impressed all the way around. And then my battery is not even being used that much. And then I'm also recouping energy as I drive. Super, super impressed. So like with most hybrids, what's great about having a hybrid powertrain is you don't have to worry about an auto stop. Now your engine's gonna cut off and on regardless, but you have the electric motor if you're coming out of a stoplight and you want a little bit of acceleration on the front end, or if you just want to have more power, you have that electric motor helping with the torque. So coming out of that stoplight, I didn't have to worry about that half a second hesitation from the engine starting back up because the electric motor was ready to go, and then when it was time for the gas engine to kick on, it was already started. So that's one of the big benefits of having a hybrid that a lot of people look past, is when you are saving gas mileage because you're not idling at a red light, you also have the instantaneous ready to go pedal because you're not having to wait on the gas engine, you already have the electric motor going. So competition for this Camry hybrid is going to be the Sonata hybrid, the Accord hybrid, and that's pretty much it right now, just in terms of for the money, around that $35,000, $40,000 price range. That's getting 40 plus miles per gallon, and it's considered an economy car. Those are the two options, and I think the Sonatas are really, really nice because Hyundai's been doing their thing. And then also the Accords have always been a favorite of mine too, but this Camry Toyota's been working on hybrids about as long as anybody, and it shows with how this car drives, the gas mileage it gets, and then still when you put it in a sport mode, the power you get from it. And I've said a million times, Toyota's Safety Sense 2.0 and up is fantastic. Having the lane centering, having the radar cruise, being able to toggle between radar and regular, and then lane centering and just lane assist so easily. It's just, there's a reason that these are one of the best selling cars and one of the few sedans still out on the road, because they're still fantastic even as people start to go to SUVs. So with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of the 2022 Toyota Camry Hybrid in the XLE trim level.